Hi friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite side dishes, Korean marinated cucumber salad. It's light, refreshing, and just a little spicy, the perfect side to serve with Korean barbecue or really any meal that needs a pop of flavor and crunch. This dish comes together in just a few minutes and uses simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. Start by slicing your cucumbers into thin rounds. You can use regular cucumbers, but my preference are Asian cucumbers because they stay nice and crunchy. Then slice a bunch of green onions. Next, mix the marinade by adding soy sauce with a splash of dark soy sauce for a deeper color. Then add rice vinegar, sugar, salt, sesame seeds, and Korean red chili powder. I like the coarse ground for this recipe. If you can't find Korean red chili powder, you can substitute with a mild chili flake, but I definitely recommend trying to get gochugaru if you can. It has this unique smoky, slightly sweet flavor that really makes this dish. Finish the marinade by adding diced green onions and a splash of sesame oil. Whisk everything together. I like to use a glass dish with a sealed lid so I can add the cucumbers and then shake the whole thing to distribute the marinade. Plus, I can easily cover and put leftovers in the fridge. I'll link in the description to where I got these glass containers along with a link to the full recipe with exact ingredient quantities and directions. And that's it, you just made a delicious Korean marinated cucumber salad that takes less than 10 minutes to put together. It's one of the easiest banchan or Korean side dishes to make and adds the perfect crunchy tangy element to your meal. If you're planning a Korean barbecue night at home, definitely include this one. It goes perfectly with grilled meats and rice. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for more recipes, and check out my other videos where I share how to make a full Korean barbecue setup at home. Enjoy!